In this video, I will explain the non-conformities in production. We are now in the print simulation. Therefore, we click the update button. As we can see, we have here the image we're going to print. And here it appears the number of units, in this case 8 units. We double click in gloss transparent menu and automatically the stocks menu appears. We click here and we drag the gloss transparent roll into the print simulator. First, we press Control Machine. This is really important. We drag it and it appears here. Therefore, we close the stocks menu. Now, we right-click mouse button and we select Generic Action. We place it here. We introduce the generic action in order to fit the machine. Therefore, we click on it, we select Fit Machine, and in the height, we establish a height of 1.50 meters. We press OK. We establish it here, and now what we do is drag the image into the print simulator, like this. We right-click mouse over it, and we select Make Copies. We will do 4 copies by 2 rows. We press OK. There we have our 8 copies. We can see that in here the 8 units are in green color. This means there are 8 copies in the simulator. Now we situate in the last image, this one here. We select it and we click the green vertical bottom here, which is the print button. We click it again. This means that everything has been printed. We close the lot and we print the label. We close down the print simulator menu and we go to the finishing menu. First of all, we update it. We double click here, the last one, which is our last production, and we can see that there are our 8 units here. Now, let's suppose that 2 of them have not been well printed, maybe because there has been an error or they were in the test type. And it's really important because we need those 8 units. So we first work the lot. We press here, work this lot. And we double click the gray circle here. We select the row and we press Separate Units. We will separate 2 units that we said before. We press OK. And it's done. If we double click here in the finishing, double click it, we can see that we have those 2 units that we previously separated. So we press Work the Lot again. OK. We double click the first circle, this one, and we press Non Conformities. We press Non Conformities. First you select the row. In Type we establish Error. In MO it appears the number of the multi-order. In Name we can say that it's Error in Printing. Error in Printing. In Cause we can say Units in Test, as well as for the description, Units in Test. We press OK. And then it appears a message, which means that if you want to send it back again to the production, we say yes. We close down and we go again to the print simulator. We press update again, and as we can see, we have again the image we are going to print. We can observe that there are 8 images to be printed, as we can see it here, and 6 which have been already printed. So there are 2 missing. Normally we have more images to be printed, because then we will need to introduce a generic action, so we will do so. We right-click mouse bottom again on the print simulator and we select generic action. We place it here. We double-click on it. We say fit the machine, and we change again the height for 1.50 m. 1.50 m. We press OK. Now we situate in the last. We press OK, and now what we do is we establish it under the images like this. Underneath the prints that we have already done. We now drag the image and we place it here like this. We place it here. We right-click mouse bottom over it and we select duplicate. We place it next to it. We select the last image and we do the same process as we did before. We click the green vertical bottom, which is the print bottom. We click it again. We close the lot. We print the label. We close down the print simulator menu and we go to finishing. We update it again. We double click here, the last one. We press work the lot, and as we can see here, there are the 2 images correctly printed. Now we double click the first one we did before, the one with the 6 units. Here it is, the one with the 6 units. And we click the row here in finishing. We select the row, work this slot first. We select the row and we press finished. Close it down. Now we situate on the gray circle. We right click mouse bottom and we select packed only the lot. We print the label. Now we click the last one we did, the one with the 2 images. We press work the slot, we go to the finishing, we select the row, we select finished, we close it down, we situate over the gray circle and we select packed only the lot. We print the label, and this is all in production for non-conformities. Thank you for listening.